Technology and Livelihood Education, Cookery 10, Quarter 2. Prepare vegetable and seafood dishes. Cookery Grade 10, Quarter 2, Module 2, Part 1. Our topic is Preparing Vegetables. Lesson 1, Market Forms of Vegetables. Vegetables are said to be vital to the general good health of human beings, providing essential vitamins and minerals, dietary fiber, and phytochemicals, and reducing risk from dangerous diseases and other medical conditions. Vegetables are grown worldwide in almost 200 countries. A World Vegetable Survey showed 392 vegetable crops cultivated worldwide. Most of these vegetables are marketed fresh with only a small portion processed. Almost 3/4 of the world's production of vegetable occurs in Asia, mostly in China, which produces over half of the world's vegetables. Knowing the different market forms of vegetables can be of help in deciding which vegetable to buy and prepare. Vegetables that are available in the market are fresh, frozen, dried, or canned. When it comes to good nutrition, all forms of fruits and vegetables matter. Market forms of vegetables. First is the fresh vegetables. Those are that have undergone little or no processing from the time they were harvested to the time they were marketed or sold, which also means that they remain in the same state from the time they were harvested. Fresh vegetables are often referred to as produce and are normally sold in the market, grocery stores, supermarkets, roadside stalls, farmers market, and vegetable farms. These are some examples of fresh vegetables. Another market forms of vegetable is the frozen, the form of vegetables that are commercially packed in plastic bags or cardboard boxes. Naturally, these are frozen within hours of harvest, but undergo several steps to warrant their quality is preserved before the actual freezing process. They are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt, debris, and the chemicals had been used. Letter B, they are often blanched or cooked quickly in a boiling water and then shocked in ice water to stop the cooking process. Letter C, the vegetables are sorted and inspected so as to get rid of any vegetables that are not fit for consumption. Letter D, they are packed and shipped off to wholesalers and distributors, to supermarkets and grocery stores. Here are some examples of frozen vegetables. Another market forms of vegetable is dried. These are vegetables that are dried or dehydrated to preserve and prolong their shelf life. The process is done by removing the water from vegetables and obstruct the growth of bacteria, yeast, and molds that can stimulate spoilage and rotting of vegetables. Methods of drying vegetables are freeze drying, drum drying, and sun drying. Here are some examples of dried vegetables. Next is the canned vegetables. These are the forms of vegetables where vegetables are preserved. Like freezing and drying, it helps make vegetable last longer. It makes cooking with vegetable easier and more convenient. The following are the examples of canned vegetables. Effects of cooking vegetables. First, changes in texture. Fibers are either softened or toughened. Cellulose and hemicellulose heating generally soften fibers. Addition of acid toughen fibers. Addition of alkali like baking soda soften hemicellulose. Addition of lime causes firmness or delay softening due to the reaction of calcium from lime. Another effect of cooking vegetable is the water is either lost or absorbed. Vegetable containing high amount of water, like leafy and succulent vegetables, lose water and become limp. Vegetable with significant amount of starch, like dried beans, root crops, and tubers, absorb water because of hygroscopic property of starch. Number 3. Changes in color. Cooking for a short time helps maintain the color of the vegetables. Number 4, there is a changes in nutrients like carbohydrate, moist heat cooking, gelatination of starch, dry heat cooking, dextrinization of starch, or caramelization of sugar. For the protein, it becomes more soluble and digestible. For the vitamin, it may be destroyed in heat like vitamin C. Minerals are washed in cooking liquid or oxidation. The general rules of vegetable cookery. First, don't overcook. Then, prepare vegetable as close to serving time as possible in small quantities. If the vegetable must be cooked ahead, undercook slightly and chill rapidly. Reheat at service time. Never use baking soda with green vegetables. Cut vegetables uniformly for even cooking. Cook green vegetables and strong flavored vegetables uncovered. The following are the standard quality of cooked vegetables. First, the colors are bright and natural color. The appearance on plate, it is cut neatly and uniformly, attractively arranged with appropriate combinations and garnishes. The texture should be cooked to the right degree of doneness, crisp, tender, not overcooked, and mushy. Potatoes, squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes should be cooked through with smooth texture. Flavor should be natural flavor and sweetness. Strong flavored vegetables should be pleasantly mild with no off flavors or bitterness. Seasoning should not mask the natural flavors of the vegetables. Sauces do not use heavily. Vegetables should not be greasy. Vegetable combinations. Vegetables should be cooked separately for different cooking times and then combined. Combined acid vegetables like tomatoes to green vegetables just before the service to prevent discoloration of greens. A time to remember. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.